What's crackalacking, guys? I'm a Duck Quack here and welcome back to another investment video on my channel. Now in this video we're going to have a little look at the market. We're going to have a look at what's been going on recently and what I can foresee coming up in the near future. So to start with, in the past month or so, there have been no huge events. We haven't seen any massive packs, any lightning rounds, any huge cards, but we have seen a ton of squad builder challenges. And those squad builder challenges include a League one for Serie A for a Higuain card, and a La Liga one for Suarez as well. Now, all these squad builder challenges have done is absolutely destroy the card availability on the market. So what's happened is all of these cards have been submitted. Yes, people have got packs out of them, but the majority of the value is getting sunk into these untradeable league cards. Usually when EA have done this, they've counteracted it by having a big event. This event would have tons of packs opened, and then the cards would be replenished on the market. Now, I think EA are doing it this way so that they can control the market. They don't want to see high-rated cards. For example, Mandanda. He's a 85 rated goalkeeper who's going for about 4,000 coins. If you pull him in a pack, an 85 rated should be a big deal. You should be a little bit excited that maybe you've made 10,000 coins from him. And this is something that EA have managed to keep up for most of the year really well. Walkouts especially, the likes of Biscuits, the likes of Handanovic, who's close to it. When you're pulling these guys, you want to be knowing that you're getting at least 10, maybe 20,000 coins. But because of the way things have gone, because of all the coins they've removed from the market with these SBCs, the lack of players available, all of these factors, the card prices have absolutely plummeted, unless they're required, obviously. So what we're seeing is a huge market crash that is slowly recovering at the moment, but EA aren't controlling it like they have for the rest of the year. So to counteract this, what I see EA doing are releasing some more big events. So some more huge squad builder challenges that require these cards, but running packs alongside them, or just having some kind of promo packs that will be in demand so that people can complete these squad builder challenges. So the most obvious ones, we could look at the likes of the one to watch squad builder challenge. Now obviously these aren't going to be released again, but they're going to revert back to the team of the week ones most likely. So there's a huge chance in the upcoming weeks we see the return of the team of the week tradable and untradeable squad builder challenges. Now what this does is it gives all of these discard informs on the market at least a little bit of value, and it soaks some of them up and gets rid of them. It also gives all those 84, 83, 85 rated players a bit more value. They shouldn't be close to discard. When you pack these players, you should feel like you've at least got a tiny bit of value out of them. And this is why I believe EA could return these. The other option that I can see happening is because birthday is coming up, we could see squad builder challenges very similar to the ones we saw at Christmas. Now, if you remember, these were released on the build up to Christmas, and it was all based around the date. Any player with that shirt number could have had a squad builder challenge released for them. So, for example, we've got Emre Can here. He's number 23 on his shirt. He had a squad builder challenge on the 23rd of December. Same with Dybala on the 21st. Now, it's unlikely they're going to repeat this process. Now, the reason for this is, say they started these squad builder challenges in 2 weeks' time, we'd be using the same dates, so it makes no sense. But because it's for birthday, I believe that they could go with players that have the same birthday on that date, or something along those lines. Once again, this would drive up demand for these cards. Their prices would increase, people would want coins, people would buy the packs to get these players, the market recovers itself, EA makes the money they want to make, everybody's happy in a nutshell. So what does that mean in terms of investments for us? Who should we be picking up? We can't guess who they're going to release. We can't say, well, Smalling's got a birthday on the 15th or whatever it is. Let's buy Smalling because you're going to need him. The only thing we can do is compare them to the previous challenges. So if we look back, we can remember that for big names, stuff like Dybala, you'd need a huge rated team. There was an Aubameyang one as well, where you needed Aubameyang. These kind of things are so unpredictable, though. They're not safe investments. If you guess one right, you can make an absolute fortune. If they come, obviously. But the safer bets are to go for those cards that you know are going to be required. So we're looking at the likes of the 84 rated players. They're basically discard, maybe 1,500 coins-ish at the moment. We've seen them as high as 6,000 coins during these events. The last couple of times they were about 3,500, 4,000 coins each. Now, as it stands on the market, we can pick up 85 rated for less than this. 86 rated cards aren't much higher. And then we have the likes of Handanovic, who's an 87 rated goalkeeper going for 8,000 coins. The same with Oblak. We can prepare for these big events. If they don't come around, we're not going to be wasting any money because these cards really can't get much lower than that at the moment. Now, I know we've just come off the back of a market crash and they were lower, but the market is slowly recovering and I cannot see it crashing before team of the season. So in my opinion anyway, they're a fairly safe investment. The gist of this is I have to believe that EA want this market to recover. They need their cards to be worth something, like I said before, and the only way to do this is to get rid of certain cards off the market so the supply is a little bit scarcer, and hence the price and the demand go up for what's available. This in turn generates the pack sales, EA makes money, everybody's happy, like I said before. So based on this, what I think we need to be doing is looking for these bargain players, like I just mentioned, and picking them up for cheap. If you guys enjoy these kind of videos where we just have a little look at the market and we just kind of discuss what's been going on, what could happen, if you could leave a like, drop a comment with any questions, and subscribe if you're new, that would be absolutely incredible.